Inflation. You have probably heard about it on the news right now, but today I want to discuss how it is making you poor without actually costing you money. So let's start at the beginning. The COVID pandemic. In 2019, a lot of businesses were forced to close, and this led to a lot of economic damage. But luckily, the government was there to save us. And to stimulate economic growth, they basically gave everyone free money. So the economy recovered very fast. But by now, many people will be thinking, where did that money come from? And the answer to that is, it was created, basically out of thin air. And that is the concept of inflation. It literally means inflating, so increasing the money supply. And now this is great, right? Because everyone has more money. But this is where supply and demand comes in. Because a dollar is becoming less scarce, it is becoming less valuable. So your money is quite literally losing value. And this is represented perfectly in the cost of goods and services. Pre-pandemic, the bread price was $1.29 in the US. Now it's $1.79. The average house price increased from $270K to about $350K. And this is a trend that is not driven by demand. It is a trend driven by the ever-increasing money supply. So that same dollar that you have right now will buy you significantly less in the future.